Did you know that you don't have to wait on a doctor or pay out of pocket for a speech and language evaluation for your child? That's right. Evaluations are free, and most parents don't even realize that you can request one yourself. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it, whether your child is a toddler or already in school. I'm Julie, and I am a certified and licensed speech-language pathologist working in schools every day, and I'm going to give you the insider's guide that most parents don't get told unless they know to ask. If your child is under 3 years old, here's the shortcut. Call your local regional center through California's Early Start program. Most parents think that they need to wait for the pediatrician to suggest an evaluation, but you don't. Just one phone call gets the process moving, and they will guide you step by step. As soon as your child turns 3, something big changes. Your school district becomes responsible. Here's what most parents might miss. If you already went through the regional center and your child did begin receiving services, those services do automatically transfer over and your child is set. If you didn't, that's fine, but the district will be the ones to do the full evaluation. If your child is already in school, it is never too late. Whether they're in kindergarten or 3rd grade or even 5th grade, you can request an evaluation at any time. Notify the administrators at your child's school. And here's a tip. If you want things to move quickly, always make your request in writing. That one step changes everything. The moment you put your request in writing, the clock starts. The school now has 15 days to respond, and the team members will be notified, and they may perform screenings in the meantime. Team members can include anyone from a speech-language pathologist to an occupational therapist to a physical therapist. If there are academic concerns in reading or writing or math, a resource support person would be included as well. Based on your written request, all of the areas of need that you have concerns about, those people should be included in this process. If at the end of those 15 days, the team agrees that an assessment is needed, an assessment plan will be drafted. And once you sign the assessment plan, the clock resets. So now the school will have 60 days to complete the evaluation, to write up their reports, and to meet with you to discuss the results. Most parents don't know this timeline even exists, and knowing it can save you months of waiting. The bottom line, speech and language evaluations are free, and you do not have to wait for anyone else to suggest it. Under 3, call your local regional center. 2.5 or older, go straight to your school district. This way your child can be assessed and be ready to begin services by their 3rd birthday. Already in school? Put your request in writing today. You are your child's best advocate, and this one step can completely change their path. So I know I just covered a lot, but this was really just about how to get an evaluation started. In future videos, I will break down what happens next. What does an IEP meeting even look like? What services can schools actually provide? And more about eligibility criteria. Drop your questions in the comments below so that I know what to cover next. And if you don't want to miss those breakdowns, make sure you subscribe. I promise there is so much more you'll want to know. I'll see you next time.